Welcome back to Simple Sundays Cooking with Zion. Today's menu is going to be simple, dessert and a little side plate for the spring holy days. So we're back with our menu and we have a very special guest star, Jocelyn, right?
Yes.
This is my goddaughter actually. She's visiting from Utah, so she's going to be here and I'm going to help her and teach her how to make a simple recipe, strawberries with and blueberries with cream, basically. It's what it
Fresas
is.
con crema.
Yes,
En español.
exactly. So she gets the gist of it. So we have 2 pounds of strawberries, correct?
Yes.
So we're going to put those in there in the bowl. There you go. You can just get a little bit of this. I'll help you. See? I'll take the time to help someone out here. And then this is 1 cup of blueberries that we're going to add to the strawberries, freshly cut. And then we use evaporated milk with condensed milk. Normally I prefer to use more condensed milk than actually evaporated. So it's condensed milk and then just a little bit of evaporated milk. But we'll put all that in there because it came out a little bit. Go ahead and give it a swirl. A little bit more. Just add a little bit more. The condensed milk is the sweet part of it, so that's what we want to get the sugar taste. And then we go ahead and we can add that's yogurt, non-fat yogurt. Put it in there. And now you can take this to all your friends' house during the spring holy days.
Yeah, they're gonna love it.
Yes, they love you for stuff like this. Mix it around. And if you want it a certain sweet to your taste, you can add more sugar if you choose. But most likely with the fresh blueberries and the fresh strawberries and the condensed milk, it brings all the sugars out of the fresh fruit. So it tastes really, really good. And, I'm sorry, 1 more ingredient actually. We're going to have to, you keep stirring, I'm going to get the ingredient. Where's the... Okay, I forgot an ingredient. The honey oat and almond granola. That actually adds a wonderful crunch and it gives it a nice consistency that you can really enjoy. So go ahead, dump it in there. And to how crunchy you would like it. I like it really crunchy. Some people don't prefer all the crunch. I have all my teeth, so. Right?
Yes.
Thank goodness for that. So this is the other side dish I was speaking of. This is potato pancakes, and for people who don't want to have unleavened bread, this is a little side dish that we like to choose or have with our meals. So basically all it is Yukon potatoes mashed, but I do that. I boil the potatoes, mash them, add a little butter, salt, and then I add fresh hash potato in there. Same thing, the Yukon potato. And then it's this consistency, so it's literally like pancake dough or mix. And all you do is you fry them. Brown on each side, just like a hash brown would, but they're just called potato pancakes.
Tortas de papa en español.
Yes, so torta de papa, however you want to call them or address them, they're absolutely delicious, and they actually go really well with the strawberry dessert also. So this is the end result. We have already taken the initiative to make them.
As you can see, my kids also bit into it.
We got pre-testers on our potato pancakes. And
That's how good they are.
Yes. And you can have them with yogurt, applesauce, whatever your choice is. But they're a great little snack to have around the house, especially for the kids. Right?
Yes, correct. And easy.
Yes. And as you can hear and see, we're having a great time over here. So here we are, we're back. We're going to get ourselves to serve. So if you want to take the initiative, go ahead and serve us some of that strawberry mix. You want to try to give it to the children first?
Okay. Andres, Papa.
And while she's doing that, Jocelyn's doing that, I am going to get myself a potato pancake.
Nice.
And you can always do a little sour cream next to it there. And let's see if he likes this.
Go ahead.
Let me give him some. I'll give him a blueberry because it's safe. What do you think?
It's
Yeah, you see? Kids don't lie. Come on, Penelope.
Oh, Penelope's turn.
Let's do this. Yeah. What do
Tell
you think?
him.
Look at the
What
camera.
do you think? Tell him.
good.
It's good. Thank you guys. That's the best news ever. 'Cause I didn't pay them to do this. Well, actually, maybe I did. To get a box of Cracker Jack. But I'm gonna go ahead and taste it. Well, look, he's even sticking his hand in it. Mmm. It's good. Try some.
Yeah.
Yeah. And how about a little piece of potato pancakes? Papa con...
Wow.
It's really good.
What is it? What you call it in Spanish?
Torta de papa.
Yeah, torta de papa. Let's see if you like this.
Oh, look.
Pick them up.
A ver. La torta de papa.
Me too.
Don't spit it out. Oh, of course, Penelope. Gotta look over there, though.
Tell him.
Come over here. Just a little bit.
Okay. And look over there. Is
What
it
do you
good,
think?
Andres?
Yeah.
Yeah, mama. Good?
Well, this is concludes Simple Sundays Cooking with Zion, and here we are, always as a family. And you guys know the drill. Stop chefing around. And do you have anything that you might want to say? Hey,
Hey, Mom, I made it.
there we go. So thank you guys, and and forgot
shout-outs.
your shout outs. Stephanie, that gave us makeup tips over there at Hans in Monterey
Hans
Park.
Beauty.
Yes.
Go there.
And Emmanuel, we gotta hook up, and you gotta come and do one of your menus because he sounds like you know what you're doing. So I just want to give you guys a shout out. So you guys have a good one. Thank you. Like, share, and subscribe, please. You.